Okay, hi everyone. You are watching Dope Hot and Fresh with me, Bongani Dube. That's what people normally call me now, Bongani Dube or Bongani Catering. But mina Bongani Dube of iDube events. So stay tuned, and I hope I become an inspiration to someone out there.
Dope hot and fresh all day, every day is too much.
Hi, Bongani Dube, the founder of iDube events. A company that I started long time ago in 2005 after matric, and it has been running ever since up until today. Yeah, the business was first registered as iDube events, but then for ngezinto ezenzekile in the past, it is now called Dube events, but it's still the same baby, my baby. Yeah. Okay, so the business was officially registered in 2003 as iDube events, but like I said, it is now called Dube events. So that company was officially registered in 2018 under the new name. So business now, we are in it for about 15 to 17 years doing the business. So I think sesifundile okukhulu in that time frame. Okay, I didn't choose the business. Iyona engicabanga ukuthi ichoose mina. Growing up, the things I used to do, the things I used to play with, yabona indlela nje umuntu akhula ngayo, iyona cishe ngicabanga ukuthi iyangenza ukuthi ngize ngi-end up kule business le. For example, amablomu kama bengihlezi nje ngidlala ngawo, indwangu ngiyazidabula emkhukhwini, ngiyadecorator. So it's the lifestyle ebekade ngiyiphila vele. Nalezi zinto ebekade ngithanda ukudlala ngazo engicabanga ukuthi izona ezingilethe la mhlambe sengikhona manje. So it's not really a matter ukuthi ngiyichoosile mina, but it ended up choosing me, the business or the type of business that I'm doing. Okay, we do most events, ne? But again, obviously, the prime of our target kuba weddings, funerals, parties. Hilasi dila khona kakhulu, and I think we specialize kakhulu in that department. We would do other corporate events, but nje ngenxa yendlela esihlele ngayo business, and what we have learned throughout the years, cabanga ukuthi nje si right, especially for weddings, parties and funerals. So yiko nje izinto esizenzayo kaningi. Okay, my hardships ne maningi kakhulu. First of all, I went into the business ngingazi lutho straight from high school. So throughout the years I've learned a lot of things, but ama hardships engicabanga ukuthi esihlangabezene nawo kakhulu, obviously it's capital to get things going, imali, izinto ezikanjalo. So kuba very very difficult. And then bese enye into ebanzima, it is meeting the client's needs and making sure that you fulfill leyo nto iclient eyifunayo, because in the line of business esikiyo kunzima ukuthi ungathi usazoba ne second chance. Once you do an event and you mess it up, you've messed it up for life. There's no way ukuthi i-customer ingabuya ithi no, let's do the wedding again next week and then silungise la simoshe khona. So I think the major hardships kube yiloko ukuthi sometimes we did wrong kwabanye abantu, but then we learn from it. But unfortunately we can't go back, yabo sithi sifuna ukulungisa or izinto ezikanjalo. But it's things lezi ezifunde over time, knowing how to set your time, how to budget for umcimbi lo uyowenza, a lot of things nje esihambe sayifunda along the way, because remember, we do not have any formal education business wise. So ileyo into enye esenze saba nama setbacks, saba nama challenges esihlangabezana nawo. So yeah, ilezo zinto nje kakhulukazi ezibe ama hardships, you know, having to face somebody or disappointile, but also that thing ukuthi even if you give back whatever money they have paid you, so ukuthi it does not really quantify umsebenzi lo osukulahlekile noma umushekile.
So what inspired you not to give up and deal with the hardships that you face or usually face when ama-events akho?
Yeah, giving up is never an option. Like I said, the business chose me, angikhethanga mina. So I can say nje ukuthi into eyenza ukuthi sifuna ukuqhubeka ukuthi nje siyazi ukuthi sifuna ukuya kuphi. We have a dream. Yabona uma unephupho, it does not matter ukuthi eceleni kwenzakalani, iziphi izinto ezifuna ukukubamba, but when you have a dream, you work towards the dream. Ushayise along the way, but you pick yourself up and uyaqhubeka because you have a dream, you have a vision. Unalento ukuthi yazini, one day I want to see myself ngisendaweni ethile. So ungakafikanga lapho, you strive ukuthi ufike lapho no matter the challenges akhona, because it's so easy to give up, to be honest. Ungavela uyeke namuhla and uyihlalele nje, but you end up thinking ukuthi I've come this far and there's still a long way to go, so mangizame ngiqhubeke futhi. Plus i-support ebekade ngiyithola from abantu did not allow ukuthi ngiyekele, uyabona, because if usuyeka umuntu uyabuya uthi no, but Bongani ngifuna kube wena owenza umsebenzi oso because I trust lento oyenzayo. So naleyo nto leyo iyaqhubuzela and ikunikeza amandla ukuthi uqhubeke wenze nokungcono than before. So yeah, I think just have a dream. No matter what kwenzakalani. There's actually a scripture in the Bible, uJoseph umkaPotifari memeza to Joseph uyamrape and that whole story. Now because Joseph had a dream, azange give in to lezo zinto ebekade zenzeka. And can you imagine umfazi wenkosi, she must have been beautiful, anuka kamnandi, amuhla ngalendlela ngayo, but because Joseph had a dream, wakhetha ukuthi angazinaki zonke lezi zinto ezisemaceleni, all these nicer things ebezibonakala ngaleso sikhathi, but wakhetha ukuthi aqhubekele phambili with his dream. So encourage kakhulu leyo, angikhohlwa futhi uJoseph and umkaPotifari. One of the best work that we've done, it's the latest. I know that sounds cliche, but our latest work is the best work that we have done because sizama ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi si-improve. So if last week besenze ngendlela ethile, siyabuka ukuthi next week yini esingayenza ngcono than last week. So our best work so far, it's the latest work lena esiyenzile. There are others in the past esawenza, they were good for that year, but for manje, the best work ever since the business has been up and running, it's our latest work. Because I believe umuntu fanele evolve, you know, ushintshe, ungemi endaweni eyi-one. And if mhlawumbe uyabona ukuthi izinto zihamba kahle, improve. Ungahlali nje wenza leyo nto eyodwa enziwayo, but just improve every time. Yes.
Do you still remember how many events have you catered
No.
for?
I
Can you estimate it?
it would be difficult to estimate how many events we did. Mhlawumbe ngonyaka we do more than 50. Hey angazi, but we do a lot. I remember one time lokhu kwe-invoice book ngangisabhala ngesandla, we actually bought 2 in a year, and that was a busy year. So lento I think in about 100 pages, I'm not too sure, but we bought 2 yalezo ncwadi for the year. So we were quite busy ngaleso sikhathi. I really don't remember much ukuthi imicimbi esenzile ingakanani, because others are small, others are huge, and kukhona nevela nje esithubeni, uyabona. So it's quite a lot of work that we have done.
What sets Dube events apart from other deco companies or productions?
Uyabona, iDube events is very different from others. Number one, because of this guy, Mina. The way I am, I think ngi-interacta nabantu ngendlela yami, and I'm a people's person. So before anything else as an business, mina as the face of the business, as umuntu walo vele business, cabanga ukuthi nje my personality iyona eyenza ukuthi siqhumane kamnandi nabantu. And then what sets us mostly apart ukuthi mina I'm hands-on kule business. I know there are other events where we learned ukuthi you need to be hands-on. So uyabona, but nje ukuthi you are hands-on, you awuthumeli nje abantu kuphela ukuthi hayi hambani nokwenza lapha, but you are part of leyo event. You are actually being part of the family, because you plan with the family. You get to know family yalabantu benzela umcimbi. You get to know their friends, because abantu mabefika la, they don't come alone. They come with friends, they come with their aunties, uncles, whoever, and then uba ne relationship nabo, which is a nice thing. And abantu, they build trust kuwe ngenxa yalokho ukuthi umuntu vele wabantu, and uyakwazi ukwakha ama relationships nabanye abantu, of which kuyinto engicabanga ukuthi mhlambe ngayifunda while I was working at KFC. Yabona customer service ukuthi whether when unenkinga or you're not feeling okay, but you need to have that smile, ube naleyo nto yokwamkela abantu. So I think that's one of the things that sets us apart from other businesses. But also ngaphandle kwaloko, we are ever changing. Siyafuna ukuthi senzele abantu the best that we can. If umuntu afika nesithombe from Google or wherever, we try to meet their standard, we try to meet their needs. So that is what sets us mostly apart. Nokuthi nje siyafuna umsebenzi wethu ube muhle, ngiyathanda nje ukunconywa, so ukuze nginconywe fanele ngenze kahle.
So you got a bit of an experience working for someone first, like KFC.
Yes, I got a lot of experience. Uyabona, I'm a Christian, but ngiyakholwa ukuthi uNkulunkulu uyayidirect impilo yomuntu. Because at that time while I was working at KFC, straight after matric, bengicabanga ukuthi impilo yami shothi izophelela lana, akukho into enhle ezovela from this thing, only to find out ukuthi ukudlula kuleso simo, it was a lesson. That's why I'm able to interact nabantu ngalendlela engenza ngayo, because of the experience engayithola eKFC. Even food handling, bengeke ngufunde noma ngikwazi zonke lezi zinto, how to safely prepare food, ungahlanganisi ukudla okunegazi nama vegetables, yabona, on the one table, so qoba konke wenzela abantu inkinga. So I think izinto ezikanjalo zenze ukuthi sifunde and the good and the bad things ezikhona in serving people. So abantu yebo bona bakhona abantu abanganeliseki kahle, but we also know how to treat such because of the experience lena esiyitholile noma engiyitholile from working at KFC and also working in other places.
So describe the quality of your work in 4 words.
Designed perfection. 2 words.
So any advice to someone out there who want to start the type of the business?
Yeah, hey, there's a lot of advice for somebody ofuna ukuqala business elikanje. Number 1, you won't get to make a lot of money from this business ngoba it's ever changing. Uyabona, when I started the business sasikade ayina ama-check cover. Today ama-check cover awasebenzi ukusebenza. So we are evolving every time. So you need a lot of money real quick. That's the first thing, but you need a lot of money. So go into the business because you love lento ozobuyenza, not because of imali. Imali, it will be part of it, but yenza ngoba uyathanda. We spend sleepless nights. Uthola ukuthi ugcina ukulala noma uvuke ngoFriday ekuseni, uyozulale ngeSunday late ebusuku. Uyabona? So if umuntu engenalo uthando laleyo nto, kuzokukhathaza emoyeni futhi angeke ukwazi ukuthi uproduce your best work. So another thing engingayisho to people abakuma events ukuthi well, I have actually done it before, uthatha ama client amaningi and try to please them and it does not happen. So now umuntu ofuna advice, take one customer for the weekend or for the day and unelise lo muntu uzokudalela ukuthi abantu mabebuya bazobuza kuwe ama-date ukuthi ngiyafuna ukushada wena khipha i-date ukuthi ngishade nini. So uyabona, in that way abantu baba na that trust kuwe, baba na that confidence ukuthi yazini if uBongani khona yonke into right. It does not matter noma singashada ebusika, whatever date yena azoyikhipha ku-right nje. So into ebalulekile yileyo ukuthi satisfy abantu mabathole lento abayikhokhele, lento le ebekade beyifisa, and then they will create income for wena over a longer period than ukuthi uthatha abantu balayishe etragini eyi-1 and then thokuthi awukwazi ukubanelisa futhi bonke, and it becomes a problem. So that's those are the two advices I would give.
How many employees do you have, people employing your business, and do you have any young people maybe that you are giving a bit of experience in terms of events so that they can get experience? Do you have young people?
We have so many employees sort of, but ngithanda nje ukuthi abafowethu nabodadewethu, people who help us to create memories for abantu nemishado yabo, uyabona. So we have a lot. I don't really have a specific number, but the last time I checked, we have around 8 guys who are helping us. Sinababo mama about 4 abasizayo, and we also have around 5 ladies, young girls who are also helping us. Plus a family iyasiza. My own mother is part of the business. Abantu nje bonke abakhona eduzane, they are part of the business. Abomakhelwane, they are part of the business. Because if I need something and I need somebody real quick, funa ngithola umuntu okhona la duzane kwami, ngalanda umuntu oledeni ozohlupha, yabona izinto ezikanjalo. So abantu baningi, and everyone is a potential employee of iDube events, yabo, ngoba sisebenza ngabantu, sisebenza ngama events, and any event ingadinga ukuthi sibe nama employees around 20 or 30, so we can hire anybody for that time. So we have a lot, but nje bonke abantu esisebenze nabo nabangasasebenzi nathi, they are still part of the team ngoba siyi family. Whenever they come back home ngabo December, they come and they help us. So kumnandi nje kusekhaya, and I think there's guys esaqala nabo from 2004 up to today basasebenza kanye nathi, engithemba nje ukuthi vele sisebenzisana kahle nabo.
Where can people find information about Dube events and contact numbers for inquiries? And when a catalog, you have a website or Facebook page, share that so that people get to know about you.
All right, you get me on Facebook and on WhatsApp. Those are the most things lang tholakala khona. Facebook page, my personal page, koqala Bongani Dube, that's my personal page, and then iDube events, page ile business, and then a phone number I can give it out. It's 079-220-8706. Number leyo ye Vodacom, and 073-121-0069 number ye MTN WhatsApp hangayo futhi. So abantu mabefuna ukubona our work, they are most welcome to book ukuthi beze bazosibona, sibakhombise catalog. Nangabe befuthi befika siyakwazi ukuthi sibakhombise our previous work esiwenzile, and sixoxe nje nabo, sibe na that relationship. So siyatholakala nje kulezo ngalezo zindlela as iDube events.
I have traveled. Have you done work outside of municipal or your province, something like that?
Yeah, we've traveled a lot. In fact, most of our business was actually outside of Bethal. I don't know why, but kunjalo. The furthest place esiyekiyo for our wedding was in Musina in Limpopo. That was the furthest place esiyekiyo. But we've been to Jan Fairs, Limpopo also. We've been to a number in KZN, in Newcastle, like Osizweni, Sibuya go Vryhead, Sibuya nje endaweni eziningi. We've also been to Friede. We've been to, well, obviously Hertzebande sihlezi sila, but nje we've been around. We've been to Piet Retief, we've been to Gauteng. We've actually went to Gauteng a number of times indawo ehlukahlukene. So yeah, we asikho asivalelekanga, but nje we are able to go la sidingeka khona, and we keep ama relationship nabo labo bantu. You know, in some places sike saya never having met the person owenza umcimbi, just ukuthi sikhulume efonini and then we pitch up on that day. Can you imagine indlela abantu bebekade besithemba ngakhona bafaka i-deposit kumuntu abangakazi bambone, and we were faithful enough ukuthi siye kulezo zindawo and deliver as iDube events.
Can you share with us, the young people out there, the importance of registering your business?
Yeah, it is very important to register your business. Ngoba kunama opportunities that the government is giving out, but because of registanga, you are not able to access those things, and then you end up ukhala ukuthi ha government agenzi lokho, but now awuzama ngalutho. Uyabona, at least umuntu azothi hayi government ayingisizanga, but nazi izinto zami i-government ingidlulile, uyabo, kuyezwakala. But now umuntu ongarejistanga abuye futhi complain, it doesn't really make sense. So register your business so that ukwazi ukuthi business elisebenzayo nawe izokunikeza leyo ukuthi uqhubeke uyisebenze leyo business, because now you have registered the business on a tax number, you are able to do work for the municipality, for the government, and so on. Yeah, so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukuyiregister kubalulekile kakhulu. Like for Tina, like I said, we registered actually 2 times. The first time I registered, but we didn't know ukuthi si register and then what, yabo. So si told later ukuthi you have to pay yearly, you have to submit your documents yearly. So it's things we learned along the way, yabo. Sishayisile sabuya sabona ukuthi oh no, indlela ihamba kanje. So it's very important to register your business, register for SARS. If you're not making enough money, you're not making enough money. But if you are, and if you're charging your clients tax, we batale tax like you are charging your customers. Thank you so much to Dope, Hot and Fresh for visiting iDube events today. Sibonga ngendlela emangalisayo. I hope ukuthi whoever out there obegadinga something esishilo noma esindlulekiyo uyasizeka. Listen guys, it is possible uma ufaka the work in your dream. You can't just dream bese uyayihlalela. You have to work and usebenze ngamandla. If it's your dream impela uzoyisebenza, and you are going to sacrifice a lot of things for your dream. Akwenzeki overnight, akwenzeki ngomlingo, inyoka kangabi nayo, but nje kuyenzeka if you put in the work. Ayikho into ezizelayo bafowethu. So ngiyabonga kakhulu Dope, Hot and Fresh. Siyabonga.
Dope, hot and fresh all day, every day is too much.